Hey guys, Richard here. So in this video I want to talk to you about AppSumo. AppSumo is somewhere I use all the time to get really good deals on my software. Now rather than pay subscriptions on an ongoing basis, AppSumo will actually give you some lifetime deals which saves you a lot of money. Now if you've been over to AppSumo before, hit the link in the description below and just jump over to AppSumo. I'm going to show you around a little bit and show you exactly what type of software is on AppSumo. Now at the moment they just happen to have the Sumo day. They're going to save an extra 10%. But if you missed this, if you're watching this slightly late, don't worry about that because there's still some great deals on here. Now you can come over to here and actually go and have a look at the software first. And you'll see on the left hand side there's a bunch of different categories that the software is actually in, as well as different ways that you can figure out what the software is best for, like small businesses, marketers, marketing agencies. So let's look at something like, I know, blogging software, and it'll give you all the different types of software that are related to blogging, right? Now, why is this so good? Now, let's have a look at this blog assistant. This is one software that I recently reviewed for my other channel, and basically this blog assistant is an AI writing tool that writes you blogs that are undetectable by AI kind of detection tools, right? Really good thing. I actually bought this to use myself, and what you can do is you can go through these listings, and on the right hand side here they got these things called tacos, and it gives you the amount of reviews this has had, and you can read the reviews below, and it gives you the discounts. I'll go into the pricing, and I'm not really talking about this one particularly, but I'll go into the pricing and how you can find out these are good deals. So this one at the moment is saying a 94% reduction, and if you go down here on the left hand side you'll see lots of great information on the product itself. Usually there's a video here by AppSumo folks themselves giving you a 2 to 3 minute demonstration of it, and then there's various screenshots, etc. Let's go right to the bottom here. You'll see lots of things around the types of features, and then various licenses or tier of their licenses. Now this usually is around the amount of people that you can get access to for the lifetime deal, because remember this is a one-off payment usually, and you can get the lifetime access. So the tier 1 is the actual one I bought. Now how do I know this is any good? Basically for $59 I can create 10 blogs credits per month, and that's for life. So every single month I can have 10 blog credits, which means I can do 10 articles. If I just come up here, usually there's a link over to the site itself to save me a little bit of time. And basically if you go to Blog Assistant itself, this is the main site of Blog Assistant, and they're an established company. They've been around for a while. And if I just come up to the pricing here, they've got a different type of pricing. So basically if I wanted to get 10 blog credits a month, this would be $8 per month, per blog, sorry. It would be $80 per month. Now basically this is just a one-off payment. Remember the other one, I can get that amount of blogs every single month. So that's where the $960 comes from, and that's where that big discount is. At the moment, if you were to come over to their site, they're going to charge you this every single month, right? That's where you can find out whether these are good deals. But basically, if you just come into here, once you sign up on to Blog Assistant through AppSumo, you can get instant access to the software. So that's just one of the softwares, and every single one of these is the same. So if I just go through like operations type software, you'll see things like for software for productivity. These will be like PDF tools. There's lots of team collaboration tools these days, because obviously there's lots of virtual working that we do. Calendar tool there, you can see some more copywriting. The AI copywriting tools are quite popular on here, and basically you just need to go and have a look through some of the reviews. So let's have a look at this one. It's RoboMotion. You go straight to the reviews, and you can see other people have actually given reviews on here, and also additional information from the actual makers of the product itself. So this is why I really recommend it. If you're looking for software, if you want to figure out how you can get it the cheapest way, look at AppSumo first. Hit the link in the description below. Like I said, jump over to AppSumo and have a look around, and I've just shown you how you can see whether you're getting a really good deal, and take advantage of some of these lifetime deals. Look at the reviews so you're happy with it, and there is a money back guarantee on all of these purchases anyway. As it happens, there's an extra 10% off at the moment, but I think there's enough money you can save anyway if you go ahead and take this anytime and go through and have a look at these various products. Hope that was useful to you guys. This is a great site. I use it all the time. I do reviews for this site. I also buy a lot of products on this site, which I use myself. Really good. Go ahead, hit the link in the description below. I'll talk to you soon.